ladies and gentlemen. Today we will be discussing about LGBT. We will be talking to different groups, for example, the hoyos, the governor, and say wallahi generation.
What? You're talking about us?
No,
Say wallahi.
hope I got this thing right. Hi, my name is Hel, and I'm afraid if you don't like our country and our law, then go back to the boat that you came in.
What? That's racism!
Have you even heard of Brexit, sir? Hi, I'm from the University of Dhaka Ellis. There's nothing wrong with people doing whatever they want, and I mean boys and girls can share the same toilet.
Oof! Nice! Felicito!
Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Power to the rainbow. Allah bismillah bay. Wallahi, oh billahi, oh tallahi, Maya. This September, my ticket's booked. Waxa makli chiri habad kanto, but kuwani LGBT kanto. Bisinka isinka. Mawin masakabad. Walala, don't worry. This is the reason we're here. Hi, I'm quickly moving to Kenya. Does anybody in the audience have a family from Kenya?
Somalis are like a transport system. They move to so many different countries every day. They move to Kenya, to Turkey, to Egypt, and so on. Why can't you just come together and fix your own country?
We are not the only people that are affected, but we will get through this.
Excuse me, miss. What does LGBT stand for?
Love God, be one with taqwa.
What? That's not what it means. I'm out of here.
Guys, we've taken everything that we can from this country, and I think it's time. Everybody, we've heard your concerns. And no matter where we are, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is always with us. And let's be righteous and make dua, inshallah.